In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your actuals time. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Review. From the drop-down menu, choose Actuals. You should arrive at your actuals chart. If it's the current day, you might not have any data in there yet. Let's say instead of viewing one day, I want to view an entire pay period. I can click the arrow next to day and choose pay period. Again, I have no data because this pay period happens in the future. If I want to view the previous pay period, I could click on the calendar icon, or I can use the forward and backward arrows. I'll click the backward arrow, and now I have data to view. Right now, I can see the time entries project, the task, the activity, the type of time entry, whether it was by an admin or an employee, the date, when the employee clocked on, when they clocked off, how many regular hours they worked, how many overtime hours were worked, their pay, their total hours, and the status, which would be where notes would show up. If you want to change the columns that you're viewing, click on the three dots next to any of these titles. I'll click here, then choose Columns. You will be taken to a list of all the different columns you can include. Maybe I don't want to see activity, so I can uncheck that. And maybe I do want to view unpaid, so I'll scroll down and choose unpaid time. Now, when I click outside of this grouping, you can see activity has been removed from between task and type, and unpaid has been added between overtime and pay. That's how you can control which columns you're viewing in this chart. I'm also viewing this chart by employee. I can see all of Allison's information first, and if I scroll down, I'll see her total number of shifts, her total number of regular hours, her total pay, and her total hours. Next, I can see all of the same information for Barbara. If I scroll down more, now I can see Barbara's individual shifts and all of that same time information. She has a note next to this bottom entry. If I hover over the paperclip, I can see what that note says. This was a mandatory meeting. If I scroll down, I can see her total counts as well. And if I keep scrolling, I will see all of my employees in alphabetical order. If I scroll back up, that's how you can view the information in your actuals. To learn how to edit or update an individual time clock entry, check out the next video.